Hi, this is Nick Weiss with Weiss Law. I want to talk a little bit about Cleveland's new nuisance law. We've had problems in the city of Cleveland with houses or properties or parking lots that have had litter, that have had drugs, that have had loud parties, that have sometimes had violence. And it's been hard in the past for the city of Cleveland to actually police this. A resident would need to make a complaint, a police officer would have to come out, and they'd basically have to catch someone in the act in order for that to be a nuisance complaint. We're changing that now. The city of Cleveland says just the act of calling the police and having them come out is enough to constitute a nuisance complaint. And once you've got 3 of those, the city can start instituting fines. It's gonna make it a lot easier for residents to have the city stop the loud noises, stop the parties, stop, and sometimes the violence that is happening in their neighborhoods. There's a risk that we're going to get a few more complaints that aren't really real. Maybe we just don't like our neighbor, or maybe there's another reason that the nuisance complaint isn't valid. The city is also putting in place an ability for someone who has received one of these complaints to contest it before the city starts issuing these fines, starts enforcing a judgment, and sometimes starts foreclosing on the property. So if you have questions about your rights, if you're seeking to enforce a nuisance against a nuisance property, or if you've had a nuisance complaint levied against you, feel free to reach out to our office.